Hello everyone, today we will learn class 10th new topic. Hello guys, today we will learn third chapter, third chapter that is question tags, question tags, question tags and question tags and short answers. Okay. So firstly we should know what is question tag. Question tags. Okay. So today we will know about the question tag, and that is today we will know about question tags. Okay. So question tags, we can say that the short question after the statement, the short question, the short question after the statement is called question tag. Question tag. Question tag means a short question after the statement is called question tag. Okay guys. For example, first condition is that if the given statement is positive, the question tag is the negative and vice versa. Okay. For example, we can say, you should note down this. The definition of question tag is the short question after the statement is called question tag. Okay. This is a question tag. First rule is that if we are learning question tag, then first rule is that if our statement is positive, then question tag will be negative. For example, she is preparing well. She is preparing well. Preparing well. Okay. This is a statement. Okay. A kind of sentence is written here, and we can notice that this sentence is in positive. Okay. If we have to convert a question tag, we have to learn a question tag. Then the helping verb of this is, okay. Then firstly we should note down helping verb. Firstly we should note down helping verb. Okay. Formula will be helping verb, then subject, then not, then be first. Or other words, we can say that helping verb, this may be, firstly we should write helping verb for the plus not plus subject. Okay. For example, helping verb not subject, this will be formula. She is preparing well. Is not she. This will be a question tag. Other example may be for positive. Other example may be for positive, that is, you can solve this sum. you can solve this sum. Okay, we have to convert this statement in question tag. Then firstly we should note down helping verb plus not if the statement is positive, not plus subject plus question mark. Okay, so we should convert on the basis of this. You can solve this sum. Then helping verb maybe can. Okay, so can not and subject you, cannot you, question mark. Okay, so in this way we can learn next sentence means next example. Maybe this was the second example, and third example is that you are playing cricket or she is singing a song. This is a kind of sentence and we have to convert it into question tag. Then formula may be helping verb, then not, because not is written here, then subject, then question mark. Okay, so here the question tag may be she is singing a song. Then helping verb is then subject she, helping verb plus not, because not is not written here, not, then subject she, then question mark. Okay, then this will be question tag. Okay, so today in question tag rule number first, rule 1 we have learned means if a statement is positive then this kinds of rule should be used. If your statement is negative then what kinds of formulas should be used I will teach you tomorrow. But guys, your today's homework is that learn about question tag and do few examples of question tag, on the basis of rule first. Okay.